Have you ever plugged your phone into a charger and watched it go from 5% to 80% in minutes while another charger takes forever and a half? What exactly is happening inside that tiny block of plastic we call a USB charger? Today, I'm breaking down the secrets behind fast charging, how it works, why some chargers are faster than others, and the hidden dangers you need to know before trusting any charger with your expensive device. Stay locked in, because by the end of this video, you will never look at a USB charger the same way again. Fast charging isn't just about more power. In fact, it's all about communication. Yes, your charger and your device actually talk to each other. When you plug in a USB charger, there's a mini negotiation happening inside. How much power can you give me? How much power can I safely take? What mode should we switch into? This negotiation happens through protocols like USB Power Delivery, USB PD, Qualcomm, Quick Charge, Adaptive Fast Charging, VOOC, Warp Charge, Supercharge, various smartphone brands. Each of these protocols changes voltage, current, and charging profile dynamically. If your phone can handle 65 W, why do many chargers still give only $18 or 20 value? You're about to find out. Most people think fast charging is about higher current. Not always. Fast charging systems manipulate two things: voltage, V, how fast electrons move; current, A, how many electrons flow a slow charger may output. 5V, 1A, equals 5 watts, a fast charger may output. 9V, 2A, equals 18 watts. 12V, 2.5A, equals 30 watts. 20V, 3A, 60 watts. That's why your phone leaps from 0 to 50% so quickly. The charger is delivering far more energy per second. You've probably seen it. Your phone charges fast up to 70 to 80%. Then slows to a crawl. Is it your charger? Is your battery dying? No. It's battery chemistry. Lithium-ion batteries don't like being filled too fast at the top. Fast charging uses two phases. 1. Constant current, CC, fast, high power. 2. Constant voltage, CV, slow, safe finishing phase. This protects your battery from overheating, swelling, or degradation. So when your phone slows down at 80%, it's not a failure. It's smart charging. Let's break down the charger itself. Inside that tiny block you'll find transformer, reduces AC to low voltage DC, rectifier, converts AC to DC, controller chip, communicates with device, safety circuits, overheat, short circuit, surge protection, capacitors, stabilize power delivery. The controller chip is the brains. It adjusts power output, enforces protocol, and prevents overcharging. Better chargers have higher quality components, smarter chips, heat management systems. Cheap knockoff chargers skip many of these, which is why they fail, sometimes dangerously. Section 5. Why some chargers fast charge and others don't. 7 o'clock, 8:45. Your charger may support fast charging, but your phone may not. Or vice versa. Or the cable is the problem. Yes, the cable matters. Modern fast charging requires thicker wires, specific power standards, protocol support. For example, USB PD chargers need USB-C cables that support high wattage. Quick Charge needs compatible cables too. If any part of the chain is outdated, charger, cable, phone, you get slower charging. Fast charging generates heat. A lot of heat. Why is heat bad? Heat accelerates battery aging, reduces battery capacity, forces charging to slow down. Phones have built-in temperature sensors. If they detect overheating, they reduce power or shut down fast charging entirely. That's why you shouldn't fast charge under direct sunlight, heavy gaming, thick cases, hot car interiors. Heat kills battery life, slowly but surely. Fast charging ruins your battery, not exactly. Your phone slows charging purposely to protect the battery. Using a different charger will damage your phone. Only cheap, unregulated chargers are dangerous. Certified chargers with correct protocols are safe. Higher wattage equals faster charging. Nope. Your phone limits intake based on its design. A $100 charger won't magically turn a $20 phone into a $100 charging machine. Choose chargers that support USB PD, Quick Charge 3.0, or above. Proper wattage for your device. Overheat amp. Surge protection. FI. Apple. Certified charging for iPhone. Avoid cheap no-brand chargers, plastic smells, or loose connectors. Ultra-fast charging claims with no certification. Your phone is expensive. Protect it. So here's what we learned today. Fast charging is a smart negotiation between your device and charger. Voltage plus current equals power. Charging slows down at 80% for safety. Cables matter just as much as chargers. Heat is the enemy. Smart chargers protect your battery. If this breakdown gives you a new understanding of how fast charging works, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with someone who loves tech breakdowns and comment below. What charging speed does your phone support? Let's talk in the comments.